Hold on. Got Jerry running around. Got the quail. He's going to put back on the deer in a minute. And he's chilling. Right there. Ow, you hit me with the door.
Look. Don't think about Jerry.
Out.
Wait, look.
Hey, yeah, there you go. I know. I have to grab another battery real quick. How much batteries really aren't too great. But I'm not complain. Just got something so I could get off my phone. Because while I was live streaming today, like 30 minutes ago, but my phone overheated. So I'm going to have to figure out what to do. Hey, Jerry. He's so cute. Oh, dang. So we're going to run to... We're going to run to McDonald's and grab some frappes. We needed to get through the day. So, turn the Tahoe on. My phone's almost completely dead.
What should I say? Oreo?
No, it didn't. Oh, guys. We are going to go grab... Dang, I can't speak. We're going to wrangle these sheep around. And let's hope that guy right there don't fuck with us. Just might though. You gonna kick him? You gonna kick him? Mm-hmm. Do that again? Do it again, do it again.
Maybe not. I'll throw a whole ass chair at him. You go, baby.
That chair? I'm going.
Where's the stick? Where's this back there? We're good.
I don't know. I don't think so. Oh, yeah, he's right there. Nothing exciting happening today.
Where did he go to the junior? That should be funny.
Yeah.
What's he doing? Trying to do like Charlie?
No, he's trying to get them to go over there.
Go, Bean.
Bean's out here still.
Oh, Bean!
So there'll be. Huh? No. Oops, I had the lens cap on.
Babe!
I just want to show.
No, I'm not having a good day. Leave me alone.
You spilled all the seeds. Let mommy spill all the seeds.
You're not funny.
Well, guys, we're going to. Well, I'm going to weld this piece back together on this. I'm going to take this down and try to. Oh man, I left these out. I'm such an idiot. And that. Oh, Lord. I'm going to weld this together. And then I'm going to bring this other one over and get that one welded on. So, y'all bear with me. Y'all bear with me because I got to get that done. We got these quail babies. I got 2 weeks, maybe at most, to do this. We got this cage. I think this cage will get set up for them. I got to put a metal section in it. There's like a big hole. Let me open it and show. Yeah, we had the bob whites in here, but they kept biting. I'm gonna take this one, grind this down a little, and add another tier to it. I don't want to make it too long or too tall. I just gotta measure this. Oh, thank you, baby. Yeah, I need these. And you found the what? The bill? Oh, the light bill?
Here, can you put this inside with all the paper?
Sure.
Wait, here, this one too.
Yeah. But yeah, that's what we're gonna do real quick. I need her help. Let's run back to the porch. I'm gonna grab some tools. Jerry's right there in the corner. He's gonna be our porch chicken. He's funny. Caitlin, leave him alone. Oh shoot. He's up on the door. Keep it come inside. These on the table. And then go back outside. Some tools. Turn this down. Open this up. I need the grinder. I don't need the. Maybe I need this. No. Tape measure. I need the wire cutters just in case. But yeah, I will get back here in a minute. Oh well, I'll just cut that out. Okay, I'll just take this. Oh, I left the discs on the table. I need those. Okay, that's Jason. She's so silly. She's dedicated to catch that little sucker. She's gonna make, or he's gonna. Dang, I can't speak. I hope it's a rooster, and she becomes his favorite human. Let's go. Come on, baby. Let's leave Jerry alone, okay? Come on. Come on. The rest of the damn day. Okay, that's that. You chasing Jerry again?
Yeah.
Come on, let's leave him alone. We'll play with him whenever we get ready, okay? Tall enough. About 18 inches. We'll call it 19 just to be fair. About 18 and a half. I want to do it too. I'm gonna bring all my junk over here real quick because I'm gonna save that one. Make sure these pieces are taller than I'll just cut that bolt off. Just grind it with the angle grinder. Grind that bolt off. Measure it though. Make sure it's longer than 18 inches. 18. Oh yeah, 35, 36. I had a puppy that chewed up my ground. I think it'd be alright. Put that there. Let me go grab my hood. I'm just chilling. Are you eating my seeds? Mm-hmm. Bruh.
Just spilled all mine.
You not gonna eat them?
Yeah, but you gotta give me mine.
I'm gonna go inside. I'm gonna grab my hood. the best welds, you know. I'm still like learning, you know. I got it there. Got it there. Got the inside a little. Maybe I need to hit that a little more, but it ain't going nowhere. I'm gonna hit the inside a little bit more, but you know, it's just for now. It's a little crooked maybe, but I think it'll be alright. I'm gonna hit the inside one more time. Getting the second tier done. I just gotta cut all those and weld them to it. That's gonna probably be an issue. Look at that. Dookie. Well, probably have to cut it and get it switched out with something different. I'm not too sure though. Taller, but I think we can correct everything.
2 hours later.
Not the stick. What? She's scared of that big motherfucker right there. Look at him. Look at him. He's deviant. He's thinking of a plan. Look at him. Why don't you just let me open the gate, Goofy?
Tell me.
Damn, it ain't that serious.
It is that serious.
Where is he? Where is he? Oh, there he is. He's gonna hit me on the way out.
Stop. He's gonna get mad.
Oh, ladies. Always the last one, bro. Dude, get it going! Ooh. They're coming out, don't hit me, quit! Ow, 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 ow! Ow! That actually hurt!
Good, get
Why don't you go that way so they don't come back this way? Oh God. I hope they don't go in the feed barn. Is their gate closed? Ah, it's my dumb ass.
That's where they're going. They're going over there.
It's alright, it's alright.
No, they're going this way.
I'm trying to grab a bucket of feed and they'll come this way. Grab some going for these. Oh God, they're already in here. Fatties. We're gonna overdo ourselves with alfalfa. Go. Oh, it's up. No, they're not. Go where? That's fine.